All right. Seems to be okay. I'm gonna keep going. Let's see. Fully loose. All right, now, next step. $18 to $25 foot-pounds. That's a huge range. I'll do 22 again. I hate this interface. Okay, doing this 22. I didn't need that elbow anyway. Okay. All right, and lastly is, again, kind of a sloppy measurement. Yep, I just had to read it twice. 86 to 91 degrees. So 90 degrees. Because that's easy. Go from sticking out here to sticking out here. All right. Let me use a breaker bar so that I don't accidentally ratchet backwards. Where did I put that socket adapter? So, first thing is to accurately find 90. All right, so we're 90 is going to be here. 90 is going to be me pointing at the, oops, wrong one. Hold on. Okay, this one is 90 directly off the cylinder head. So, one. This one is not 90 off the cylinder head, but it is with me pointing at the fuel injector relay that I installed. 2. Okay. Let's see. Go like this. Maybe I can get a little cleaner. Okay. 3 is going to be me pointing at the condenser. Hole through the firewall. 3. Okay. All right, 4 is going to be me pointing at that plastic rivet thing, whatever that's called. Okay. Or five. Going to the little animal nest that apparently is in the wheel well. Okay. Oh, again, straight off of the head. Okay, 6. Okay. 7 is there. So 7's where it gets a little tricky. I gotta move. Yeah. I can do it. It's just gonna be slightly annoying. Okay, 2, aiming for spark plug hole number 2. I mean 3. I meant 3. 7. Okay, 8. I'm going to point at right between that plastic thing and the fuel filter. All right. Nine is pointing at this camshaft journal bolt, or bearing bolt hole, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. That's straight on. All right. Okay, and this one is going like it's going for the fuel filter. Alright. Okay. Now, there it goes here. These come out. Alright, step 13. Remove all bolts and resurface head. Install camshaft and camshaft brackets in the order shown using this following procedure. Okay, but gotta put some oil on. I'm actually gonna take a short break.